Right, so here we are with the Spirit 40F, the CB40F. And if you looked at the service and repair video, I paid 55 quid off eBay. I've been looking for one of these for 40 years. And it came just as you see it, with the strap, no aerials, just the mic. And I'm glad to get that, to be honest. And the last one I saw about 4 or 5, 6 years ago went through for £95, complete. Not boxed, but complete. It's got its own built-in stand, so we won't put it on the bench cookie. I've not heard a thing on this, and this is what's inside a Murphy base station. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent. Sounds dreadful at the moment, but we'll give it a go.
Have we got put an extension speaker in or what or not?
Yeah, I'm just going to do that.
Yeah, let me know when you're ready.
There's no tone control on this one.
Okay, no problem. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger.
Now, I'm just going to do a little test with you, which we don't normally do. It's got RF gain switch. It sounded absolutely dire as you drove past the house. I was beginning to think I've got the detector wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the RF gain switch on. So just talk to me now.
Yep, roger that. Just passing the Woodland Water sign as we approach. Yes, Ancaster service station 143.9, 145.9.
Yeah, you see the set sounds absolutely wonderful. So I think they've got this RF gain switch to overcome the inadequacies of the receiver. Over.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear. Go round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Spirit 40F CB40F, which is from 1981, unusual transportable set, and it's in full 4 watts, the factory original microphone. Over.
Yep, roger that. That was all received. crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you going around the Greyleys turn.
Roger.
I want you to do 2 tests at this next point to the 5 mile point, please. I want you to do the normal one, and then I want you to turn the car around so you're facing the other way, please.
Yeah, roger that. So you want me to drive forwards into the farmer's gate type thing? Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now at the 5 mile point, facing the normal way.
Roger on that. Well, on this Spirit CB40F, it's doing 4 watts, it's drawing 857 milliamps. Now we're going to switch it to low power, it's doing 400 milliwatts. Now I'm telling a lie, it's doing 500 milliwatts out of spec. And now we are back to 4 watts over.
Yeah, I didn't get you at low power, but fine at normal. Right, I'll turn the car around. Just bear with me.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now at the 5 mile point, facing the other way.
Right, Roger on that. So I'm still on 4 watts, going to go down to the 500 milliwatts, which is, and then back to full power over.
Yeah, not a lot in it. Slightly less noise this way, I would say, but I still lost you at low power.
Yeah, Roger on that, that's fine. Off you go.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mississippi, now at the 5 mile point, facing the normal way.
Roger on that. So I'm on this Spirit CB40F, it's doing 4 watts, it's only drawing 857 milliamps. Now we're going to flick it to low power, it's doing 400 milliwatts. Now I'm telling a lie, it's doing 500 milliwatts, it's out of spec. So there we are doing 500 milliwatts, drawing 530 milliamps. And now we are back to 4 watts over.
Yeah, I didn't think it was low power, but fine as normal. Right, I'll set the car around. Please bear with me.
Yeah, roger.
Tango 21 from Mississippi, now at the 5 mile point, facing the other way.
Right, roger on that. So I'm still on 4 watts, going to go down to the 500 milliwatts, which this is. There we go down to 500 milliwatts, and then back to full power over.
Yeah, no, it's slightly less noise this way, I would say, but still low power.
Yep, roger on that, that's fine. Off you go.
Roger.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger that, yeah.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over. Yes, they've changed. Unleaded is now 146.7 and diesel is 141.9.
Roger on that, with the both 141.9 and same as the ground. Right, well that concludes the test. That was the 3 over.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Okay.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rollsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me, please, over?
Yes, it was changed. The lead is now 146.7 and diesel is 141.9.
Roger on that. Well, they're both 141.9 at Sainsbury's in Grantham. Right, well that concludes the test. That worked a treat. Over.
Yes, roger that.
10-10. Yep, that did. It worked fine. So when he was just outside the house, it really was distorted, and that's not unusual on sets, which is why some sets have an RF gain that has a switch to do that. So I was beginning to think the detector was wrong. So that's on the factory original dinky little mic. As I say, this is what's inside a Murphy base station, a CBH1500. And you get the same dinky mic. So we'll go to our Midland 76900 base station and we'll see what that sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Spirit CB40F with the factory original microphone from 1981 into our Midland 76900 base station. Then test it on low power because the base station needs to become hummy, so I think that's hum generated by the power supply. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Low power. We're now doing 500 milliwatts. It's a bit out of spec. It's supposed to be 400 milliwatts. It's not adjustable. And there we are, back to 4 watts. I hope you enjoyed that. I think we've got a more conventional set the balance fencing, but it's an unusual one tomorrow. And I do know we've got the balance and 5 star coming into it next week. So thanks for watching.